Alastar, Process I think
ઋતિક. કૃપાલ. કૃપાલ.
હઉ
હું એમ કહું હજી સાહેબે ખબર કીધું તું ઓલું આખું ઓલું સર્કલ વિશે.
હા
હું એમાં કઈ ખબર પડી કે નહીં કેવી રીતે નવો પ્લાન ટ્રાય કરવો હોય તો.
હમણાં સર ને આવા દે ને.
હા.
good afternoon everybody.
ગુડ આફ્ટરનૂન સર.
I hope getting
સર
my voice
અવાજ
and we are going to that's why I'm looking for certain change. I'm not able to connect it with okay. So just give me a minute, I'm coming back to you. Okay. Just a minute. Yeah, the voice is back. I have no Might be a very less network over here. I'm connecting it. I'm trying to connect. Just connecting it. Now am I audible to you? So still it is an error.
Still it's breaking, sir. Your voice is like
Trying to
breaking.
reconnect.
No, sir.
Yes, I'm trying to reconnect. Okay, just give me a minute. Give me a minute. I'm trying to connect it, but the network is not. Might be issue here. Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Hello. Now is it okay
Yes,
for you,
sir.
everybody? Now,
Yes, sir.
હા સર બસ થોડુંક થોડુંક થઈ જાય પણ એટલું નહીં પેલા જેટલું નહીં.
because I'm not able to take my lecture in that is the main issue. Okay, I'm somewhere else.
પાછો સર વોઇસ
So
બ્રેક થવા માંડ્યું.
you might have a problem, but you can adjust
સર
accordingly.
નથી આવતો
Right?
અવાજ.
I am sharing the screen.
સર આખા સેન્ટેન્સ જ કપાઈ જાય છે.
કાંઈ સમજાતું નથી, સંભળાતું નથી.
Am I audible or not? I think
Yes, audible.
Yes, sir.
now it is clear. Okay, so let's hope that network continues. In this session, this is a laboratory session, okay? So basically what we are trying to convey in this session is how laboratory work is important in case of highway and transportation engineering subject, right? But you need to adjust accordingly, okay? I cannot work upon on that particular voice break issue, right? So I try my best. I'm reconnecting and rejoining. Majority of if you are getting my voice, just mention yes. So based on that, we will start our session. I think it is clear now. No issue regarding the net. Okay, so based on that, you can trying thing, right? Don't worry about that. But if you are getting this, well and good. Okay, if I'm trying to connecting it, so just be supportive. Trying to it. Right now, I'm sharing a screen.
ઋતિક અવાજ આવે છે?
ક્લિયર છે ભાઈ.
આપણો અવાજ ક્લિયર છે. સંતોષ સર નો અવાજ ક્લિયર નથી.
अरे अपना आवाज
Yes.
क्लियर है भाई.
આગે સંતોષ?
Screen is visible or not?
નો સર.
ना सर.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Just mention in the chat box so that I have an idea. I have shared a screen with you.
આવી ગયા સર.
Huh. I have shared a screen with you.
યસ યસ.
So you can see in your screen right now, it is visible. And many of you are saying yes. Okay. So it's can consider this as a, so basically this is the laboratory practical laboratory session, right? So I hope that now you are getting the complete work and screening. So here you can see this is a laboratory session in which first of all we will look, we will have a story of the test that we are going to perform in this laboratory. So this is a laboratory model of the highway and transportation engineering. But what you require to do is you need to prepare a, you can say the class note you can consider to make a separate day as practical. Okay. It's an
સર કઈ
important
સંભળાતું
thing.
નથી બરોબર.
સર વોઇસ પાછો બ્રેક થવા માંડ્યો સર તમારો.
હલો સર. હલો મનન. મનન અવાજ આવે છે કે મારે જ વીજ ગયો?
આવે છે આવે છે.
આવે છે આવે છે.
હેલો, ગુડ આફ્ટરનૂન. આવે છે અવાજ?
ક્લિયર સર, હવે
યસ
બરોબર
સર.
આવે.
ઓકે, વાંધો નહીં. આપણે છે ને આજે જે ખાલી હાઈવેની લેબોરેટરી છે, બરોબર, એનો આપણે એક વિઝિટ લઈ લઈએ અને કયા કયા ટેસ્ટ પરફોર્મ કરવાના છે, રાઈટ, એ આપણે ડિટેલમાં સમજી લઈએ, બરોબર, કે કેટલા લેબ ઇક્વિપમેન્ટ્સ અવેલેબલ છે આપણી પાસે અને મીનવાઇલ what kind of test we are going to perform, right? So let's have a quick call. I'm turning my video on. Okay, so you have a you are getting the what actually it is and why we are performing the different test on the uh, in the highway laboratory. So here you can see this is a highway engineering laboratory which is at the MB005. I think this is visible or not?
વિઝ્યુઅલ સર.
નો સર.
Yes,
નોટ
visible.
એટલે MB005 જે છે, હા, ઓકે ફાઇન. So MB005 જે છે, that is our highway engineering laboratory. You can see I'm zooming out just okay. So this is a highway engineering laboratory, right? So in which we are going to perform the different test on the materials that we are going to use to construct a highway, right? So here you can see basically the names are also written in above that equipment. So you can see I'm just rotating it so that you will have a clear idea. So you can see a highway engineering laboratory having a two parts. Number one is the aggregate related test, right? And second is the bitumen. So first portion, that is the test related to the aggregates, that will be taken by Professor Jay sir, and the remaining test will be taken by me. That is bitumen. The test on the bitumens will be taken by me. So here you can see this is an instrument, right? Here you can see on your screen. So in which we can have a test of a soil, right? So the test on the soils, the test on the bituminous sample, we can identify by the, you can see here the name is written there, California bearing ratio test, right? So this is for your kind information that we have a laboratory like this, and in this we have an instrument like this. In this, if I mention, and the instrument is visible to you, but you can see here there is a probing ring. So in here it is written a PR, right? So PR is probing ring. So in this ring, the dial gauge is fitted like this, okay? So and you can sense the reading accordingly, right? So you can see. So definitely it will measure certain amount of the, you can see the deflection or certain kind of the gap is forming over here, right? You can see. So based on the movement of this, we can measure the deflection in mm, right? So here it is written, you can see 0.002 mm, right? So this is the instrument. We will see in detail, right? But have a look. This kind of equipment is available in our laboratory. And here you can place a sample over here, right? This is a base plate on which you can have a sample on it, and you can just put a compression over here. You can see here the CBR apparatus is there. Okay. So basically, this is used to measure the California bearing ratio of a soil or of a sample, right? So CBR જેટલી વેલ્યુ તમારી વધારે, કેલિફોર્નિયા બેરિંગ રેશિયોની વેલ્યુ જેટલી વધારે, એટલું તમારું મટીરિયલ જે છે એટલું હાર્ડ, right? So that you can rely upon. Next, you can see here, this is the Benkelman beam, but in the diploma level, you are not going to learn this Benkelman beam method, right? So this is a beam, you can see, right? Right from the beginning, you can see. So this is used to measure the deflection under the tire, right? So this is a Benkelman beam. Here you can see, right? So in this case, you are also having a deflection at the bottom of the truck wheel. So that you can easily identify from this equipment, but in the diploma level, this is not your concern, right? So this you can say this is you can say having a tracing arm you can consider, and based on the tracing arm's location, we can easily identify the deflection. Another important thing over here is you can see here. This is a ductility test apparatus. Is it okay? તમને દેખાય છે? Right. So in this case,
Sir,
what you
voice
can
break
see
થાય
is,
છે.
huh? Okay. So in this, what is the components over here? You can see. So the ductility test apparatus is used to measure the ductility of a bitumen. Now, can anybody tell me what is the ductility?
સર ખેંચવું તાણવું આપણે કેટલું સ્ટ્રેચ કરી શકીએ
સર
Okay,
તેની
in
ઉપર
other
એક્સટર્નલ
words,
ફોર્સ થાય ને સર તે કેટલું વળે સર ભટકે નહીં પણ વળે
વાયરના ફોર્મમાં.
સર એટલે એનું ડિફોર્મેશન જે થાય ને એ સ્ટ્રિંગના ફોર્મમાં હોય.
okay. So the maximum amount of elongation, right, of any kind of material that you can have without failure, right? So resistance against the elongation, right? So that is your ductility. And opposite property is brittleness, right? So in case of brittleness, you can take example of the chalk, right? So chalk can easily it has a brittle behavior. Meanwhile, the glass you can take as a brittle material, right? So this will measure the ductility of a bitumen, right? So if I can see the sample of a bitumen, let us say yes. So you can see here in this can you will have you can see in this it is a bitumen, black in the nature, but it is in the temperature, room temperature is you can consider as 20 degree or something. So it is in the solid form, okay? Somehow it is liquid also there, right? So basically it is in the solid form, right? When you heat it on a stove, it will convert it in a liquid form. So this is the basic characteristic of a bitumen, right? So what you need to take care while heating the bitumen is you need to take care about the spark generating in the bitumen, right? क्या होगा कि जब आप इसको गर्म करेंगे बिटुमिन को, नॉर्मली क्या होता है रूम टेम्परेचर पे ये सॉलिड फॉर्म में होता है, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे। जैसे ही आप उसको हीटिंग देना स्टार्ट करेंगे वो लिक्विड फॉर्म में स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, लिक्विड बनना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, ठीक है? तो जैसे आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं ड्रॉप्स पड़े हुए, इट इज इन द सॉलिड फॉर्म, बट व्हेन इट इज हीटेड इट इज इन द लिक्विड फॉर्म. So that is the viscous property of a bitumen. Are you getting this or not?
યસ સર.
સમજાય છે? બે પ્રોપર્ટી છે, એ રૂમ ટેમ્પરેચર હોય, કોલ્ડ હોય, રાઈટ, ત્યારે એ સોલિડ ફોર્મમાં હોય, અને જ્યારે તમે હીટ આપો, when you are heating up a bitumen sample, right, so that is in a form of liquid, right? So how ductile is this material? Ductile, that means એને આપણે કેટલું ખેંચીને લાંબુ કરી શકીએ છીએ, તાર બનાવી શકીએ છીએ. Are you getting this or not? So this is how you can see it has a viscous property. I'm dropping over here. You can see it will fall slowly, right? Just see. So why it is dropping like this, right? Because it has a viscous behavior, viscosity. So after some time, this liquid will become a solid because of the room temperature, right? So I put a drop over here, and this is in a liquid form. But after a few hours, you can check it out here, it will be converted in the solid. So this is the viscous behavior of the bitumen.
So the basically the test we are performing on the bitumen that will be taken by me. So this is the ductility apparatus. Here you can see here we have a motor over here, right? We have a pump and we have a heater and thermostat. That means the temperature you can control from here. The main thing is about this is here what is written here. You can see the scale is there. The scale is there, right? So ultimately from the ductility test, we are going to measure that how much amount of stretch is there in the bitumen, right? If we start applying the force from this handle, right? You can see this is also, you can control the speed, right? From this, right? Okay, so this is the speed handle. So you can control the speed of this, you can control the force that you are applying on the bitumen by this handle. And meanwhile, you need to take a reading on this scale, that how much amount of it is elongated. So basically ductility of a bitumen is measured in the ductility test apparatus, right? And in this, the unit will be centimeter, meter, right? Unit of a length. So this is the case we are going to measure. If I can say the samples, so the samples of a bitumen, give me a minute. Okay, I'm not able to do the flashlight. Okay, so just give me a minute. So, I'm just trying to show you the samples which we are utilizing. Just give me a minute, right? Just give me a minute. Okay, so I'm got the sample. You can see here. This is the sample of the bitumen. You can see. So it is a waste product. It's look like a liquid, but it is in the solid form, right? Are you getting this or not? I have toppled this, but because of its behavior, because of its viscosity behavior, it will not fall like a liquid, but it look like a liquid. You can see here, it look like a liquid, right? So this is the bituminous sample. You can say this is too much solid, right? So you cannot press like this, okay? It is too tough, you can see. But this will melt in the carbon disulfide. A chemical is there. If you put a single drop of a carbon disulfide on it, it will melt, right? As you have a salt in a water glass, right? It will melt like this. So this is a complete, this is the tech coat sample, you can say, but tech coat is nothing but, you can see, tech coat is a layer which combine the two layer of a highway, right? So this is that sample, I'm looking for it, okay? So when you come to the laboratory, you will get an idea, right? So you can, it is a very smooth, it will give a very smooth feeling, right? So this is that sample. Every test we are going to do on a bituminous sample. So first of all, our first thing before any test on a bitumen, that we need to melt this, right? We need to melt this, we need to heat this up to 160 degree, let us say, approximately, right? 140 to 160 degree. So before doing any kind of practical, we need to take care about the safety precautions also. So for that, we have to use that safety gloves, right? So here you can see safety gloves is there. So by wearing it, whenever you are dealing with the fire, that you need to use these safety gloves, right? So this is also an important aspect of highway engineering laboratory. One important thing is that it will generate a spark, right? Spark when you hit this bitumen, it will generate a spark, and you need to take care about your skin also, okay? It is a skin burning like this. So this is regarding the ductility. I have shown you the sample also, right? One more important thing is that this is the ring and ball apparatus, right? But when you perform the test, when you have a reading of this ring and ball apparatus, you will have a better idea, right? But another thing is that the second instrument, you can see the penetrometer. You can see, you can read out this thing, right? Penetrometer. So the division is 1/10 of mm, right? 1/10. That means it will. This is in the mm. The numbers written over here, it is in the mm, and 1/10. That means the centimeter. You can say centimeter. If we convert the centimeter into the mm, it will require a 10 mm, right? So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. So that's why it is 1/10 in the standard penetrometer. So definitely it will measure the penetration. It will measure the penetration. So we will look after of this also, right? So here you can see, as I am moving this dial gauge, this is also goes ups and down, I think. As I'm moving the dial gauge, so what we are trying to measure is, we are going to measure the how much amount of a needle will penetrate in a bitumen, right? On the standard temperature and conditions, as per the given by the Indian codes, right? So this is an important thing. This is the name standard penetrometer. So this all the laboratory test. One more important instrument you can see here is Los Angeles separation test. So in this test, you are running an aggregate, right? So what you are going to do is, this is a gate. You can see this can rotate. This can rotate. We need to take care about the safety first, right? What is that? If the gate is open, this nut bolt and this gate will fall on your feet. So you need to take care about this safety. First of all, lock all the nut bolts. See, this is open. So we need to close all the gates. Then it can be rotated, right? It can rotate like this. So what we are trying to do is, we will fill the aggregate of a certain amount and we will rotate automatically. A motor is there, right? So that motor will rotate this Los Angeles aggregate equipment, right? Los Angeles abrasion test equipment. And we are going to checking the abrasion value. What will be the abrasion value, okay, of an aggregate in the percentage. So when you rotate, you can have a counter here, right? So this counter will count the number of that you are applying in this test, right? So the rotations are also, so here you can see, you can simply make it 0, okay, 0. Zero by applying this lever, right, likewise. So it will become a 0 over here. And meanwhile, this is the steel ball, okay. So we are putting these steel balls, approximately 14 number of steel balls in this equipment, right? And we will check the abrasion. કેટલું ઘર્ષણ થાય છે એ આપણે ચેક કરીશું. પાવડર ફોર્મમાં આવે અને પછી આપણે percentage ફોર્મમાં આપણે કરી શકીએ, right? So this is the test, impact test. The equipment is this impact. We will find out the impact on the aggregate. So this is when you are performing any laboratory test. In case of highway laboratory, the safety is very important thing, because all the equipments having required a certain amount of the safety. So this is a hammer, you can see here. It is a hammer, but I am the only one in the laboratory, so I will not try to uplift this. Okay, it requires 2% because it has a lock. Here you can see this is the lock. When I uplift, it will stuck with this lever, and impact value is contained. Impact is generated, right? And another important test is the Marshall stability test. You can see it out. This is the Marshall stability test apparatus. So in this, you are going to keep the bituminous sample in a mold, right? And then you are applying the force. It is basically load versus deflection, you can say, deflection or deformation. So when it starts breaking out down the, then must go over here, right? Look like this, okay. जो ये प्रोविंग विंग है, उसी टाइप की रिंग जो है यहाँ पे होनी चाहिए अटैच, ठीक है, तभी आप मेजर कर पाएंगे. So this is laboratory of highway and transportation engineering. Meanwhile, we need to maintain our samples with respect to certain temperature. So we have this, you can consider this as a oven, right? So in this, the samples are there, you can see. This is I think cement sample. Okay, so this is a block, like we will put this type of sample over here, right, in this manner. Then we can check it, the stability. That means the load, how much amount of load he can sustain. So this is that sample. Okay, it is, you can see here, it is cut it in a circular shape from an existing road, right? ये हमने जो है बनाया नहीं है, ये हमने कट किया है existing road में से, ठीक है? So that kind of tests are there, but up to the diploma level, you need to understand that very basic test, right, on the bitumen. So this is an oven. This is also a similar kind of. You can maintain the different. Basically, it is an incubator. In this, you can control the temperature. Okay. If you want to keep the sample at the 80 degree Celsius, right? So you can put it in this and just lock this and just control the temperature from here. So these are the laboratory of the Hive. And I hope that the majority, if you are here, it will be better for you and us. Okay. But everything we cannot explain in the online manner. Okay. Sometimes you need to have a physical contact of the sample so that you have a feeling of that practical. Right. I'm looking for one more sample if I'm getting this. Okay, no problem. But few things that you require to do the practicals is you can see this. You need to remember these two words. You can see the samples are there. First one is the dextrin. You can see dextrin, right? Dextrin white. So the chemical formula is also written C6H10O5 into n number of hydrocarbons, right? And second thing that you need to keep in mind, second, glycerol, okay? Glycerol and hydrose, basically you can consider as a glycerin, right? So this is a glycerin, pure up to 90%, okay? 1% is there, some impurities. So this is how our laboratory have the equipments and the different test we are going to perform on the bitumen. So first and foremost thing, we require a sample. Without a sample, we cannot perform any test. So first of all, we require a sample. After that, you need to heat that sample on a stove. And after heating that, you can able to do the practicals, right? So I'm trying to show the practical equipment, but okay, we will see later on. Okay, I will ask for it. Okay, so this is the mold of the bitumen you can consider, right? You can fill the bitumen in this after the heating and have a solid sample like this. Okay, any doubts in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
Sir, offline ક્યારે ખુલશે કોલેજ કઈ ખબર? કોલેજ ક્યારે ખુલશે?
ઓફલાઈન સર થશે?
શું કયો?
કોલેજ ક્યારે ખુલશે? ઓફલાઈન ક્યારે આવવાનું થશે એમ?
ઓકે, મેસેજ અમને તમને ફોરવર્ડ કરીશું, બરોબર? મેસેજ અમે તમને કહેશું. એ પ્રમાણે તમારે આવી જવાનું થશે. રાઈટ.
સર હમણાં કઈ પોસિબિલિટી છે સર?
ફેબ્રુઆરી એન્ડ સુધીમાં આપણને એક મેસેજ ક્લિયર થઈ જશે કે શું કરવાનું છે.
સર આવું કઈ
સર પ્રેક્ટિકલ માટે તો સર
નજીક જ થાય તો તમારે હેલ્પ કરીએ સર.
હા
હા સર, મને કઈ
એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ કરવાનું હોય તો એમ.
અવાજ તમારો ક્લિયર નથી આવતો. શું કહો છો?
સર આવું કઈ એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ કરવાનું હોય તો કૃપાલને કહી દેવાય ને, તો કૃપાલને નજીક જ રહે ને તમારે હેલ્પ પણ થાય એમ.
ના ના, એ તો થઈ જાય. આ તો શું આપણે નેટવર્ક, મારે પેલા તમને લેબોરેટરી મેન્યુઅલ બતાવવાની હતી, રાઈટ? બટ તેના ઉપર તમને ખબર ડાયરેક્ટ ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટ બતાવી દીધા, પછી કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ નથી, રાઈટ? એટલે હેલ્પફુલ એમાં થઈ જશે, બરોબર? હું પ્રેક્ટિકલ જે છે આમાં ઓનલાઈન આપણે કરાવી રેકોર્ડ કરી લેશું અને તમને બતાવશું, રાઈટ? એવો ટ્રાય કરશું.
સર વીકમાં એક ડે જેવું પેલા પોસિબલ હોય તો થાય કે સર? ઈ કરો તો વધારે અનુકૂળ થાય.
કારણ કે એમાં શું છે કે ગાઈડલાઇન્સ આપણે ફોલો કરવાની છે. So we need to take care about the government guidelines.
સર હું મનન ને આજુબાજુ વાળા હજી નજીક થતો હોય.
હા એમ આપણે જે પેલા આવ્યા હતા એવી રીતે
મનન નજીક નો થાય હો ભાઈ.
મનન સારી આવતું ભાઈ.
તમારે કઈ ડાઉટ હોય તો તમે પૂછી શકો, અધરવાઇઝ તમે રોલ નંબર લખો અને તમે લીવ કરી શકો. આપણે ટ્રાય કરશું મેક્સિમાઇઝ કે તમને લેબોરેટરી બધા જે છે પ્રેક્ટિકલ જે છે આપણે બતાવવાનો ટ્રાય કરશું 100%. તમે જઈ શકો છો. don't have any kind of issue or any kind of failure. कोई डाउट है? अंकित कुमार।
हेलो सर। सर बोले कि सर जैसे सर अभी प्रैक्टिकली सर ये लैब हुआ तो सर हम लोग सर अभी अगला जो सर नेक्स्ट जो होगा सर सेशन सर उसमें सर आ सकते हैं सर वहाँ पर।
तो आ सकते हो, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
ओके सर।
क्योंकि वो प्रॉब्लम वो ऑन द टाइम नहीं होगा, क्योंकि मुझे प्री रिकॉर्ड करना पड़ेगा ये प्रैक्टिकल।
ऐसे सर थोड़ा
हाँ
ठीक सर। सर ऐसे सर वहाँ रहते तो सर थोड़ा सा और अच्छा होता सर। और ऐसे सर यहाँ पर है तो यहाँ पर है तो सर इसलिए बोले वहाँ थोड़ा देख सकते हैं।
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आ सकते हो।
ओके सर।